Okay, what? Dude, this is pathetic. Well, anyways, this is the list. I'm gonna make this the first one. Okay, so we need this and then the rows. This both are the same. Anyway, let's keep moving. Okay. Now, this rose thing down there. And I'm done. I'm done. And yeah, we need this thing first. That's the entire point. And that thing, let's smush it. And we charge. Don't tell me this is a 6. Oh. Let's see what it is. Oh, bark? Who's bark? Is it like bark, bark, bark like a dog? Diamonds? Diamonds. Oh. Hell. Okay, we gotta need 20 more diamonds. I'm gonna make the secondary dragon. And a secondary dragon is a dragon which is made of the second items. They're honeycomb. No! Oh, I didn't. This one. Everything gold. What do you know? Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's because it's the secondary one. It's a sprout. Let's place it on the island. The little guy can literally escape that thing. You notice? Maybe he can help. Okay, 10 more to go. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna make the number. The dragon. Which one? I know. Is this? And ooh, we gotta add that. So we gotta try. Gotta use that. This stick. What do we have here? We got the same thing. It says Dill. What is Dill? Who is Dill? Okay, let me type in and look. Pixar helper. One there. Oh, okay. Now let's go. Why are you fishing? Wait, is that diamond? Wait, no, it's just a diamond. Okay. Top team, this is the best day ever. Rat. Rat. I was having a good day. What? Who's catching butterflies? I was like, the game is literally dumb. You don't need to catch butterflies. These guys are just chilling out, trying to fly away because they're scared. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa, what is that guy? Did I just hatch the following thing? Gotta follow this guy. Wow. This guy can break through. Wait, where is he now? Did he die? Go save that guy. Okay. He didn't save it. Instead, let's go. Okay. This is free, but I hate free games. Wait. I knew it. So, I think this. I use it. I use these things. Oh, those are lizards. I didn't know.